How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Shash's Plays. Today we got our round 1 of the NCP Super Slam 2021 tournament. And yeah, so I realized when I went to go to edit this, I didn't actually record a team builder. And I also realized I never made a freaking showdown layout. But you know what? We're just going to use this. Let me know if actually you like this. I actually don't mind it. It doesn't look half bad. Kind of shows like what I'm working with immediately and what I'm expecting up there immediately. So yeah, I might redo the design of whenever I come back from my break. And yeah, but anyway, this is what we're going up against. We are going up against Liv and her Rotom only fans. God tier freaking team name right there. Love it. Freaking love it. But anyway, she's got a hell of a team, so let's just get into it. So of course, the Mew. I hate Mew in regular draft. In an 8-person draft in a single elimination tournament like this, I hate it even more. Celesteela, super fat. Tapu Fini, Weavile. Oh my god, freaking Weavile. Oh my god, that Mon, I love using it, but goddamn, I hate fighting it. So Nidoking, also another Pokemon I love using but hate going up against. Leafeon, Wigglytuff, and Throw. So as you can see, the 6 that she brought are actually up there. So the Throw and the Wigglytuff did hit the bench this week. I was actually expecting the Throw. That's why you'll hear me say it in the thing, but yeah, just to help with the Porygon too, but I guess Weavile does that pretty well as well. So, but yeah, so Weavile is a massive issue for us because, you know, of course, the only thing we have to outspeed is our Barraskewda. But, you know, she's also got a Tapu Fini just sitting right there, which is a very safe switch in, and also even the Leafeon. Was not expecting the Leafeon to come, but, you know, spoiler alert, it did. You know what? Let's just get into the team that we brought. Alright, so first up we had the Damp Rock Politoed. I want them long reins, and I wanted to try to troll out a freaking Tapu Fini. If there was like a setup Tapu Fini, like a Calm Mind or something like that, hopefully our speed investment would have let us come in, outspeed it, encore it into that, maybe even Whirlpool as it tries to switch in, Parasong, that thing. It's just an annoying Politoed. Also, Parasong helps with Celesteela if it tries to, you know, set up like Iron Defense, or not Iron Defense. Yeah, Iron Defense, right? If it starts being a Celesteela, we can Parasong that thing and get it out of there. But yeah, that's okay. But yeah, long range, we really want that stuff. We really wanted that stuff, especially because we are running double rain stab basically with the Thunder and the Hurricane on Zapdos. A little bit of bulk, a little bit of speed, a little bit power, you know, a little bit of everything. I love Zapdos, great freaking Pokemon, gotta love it. Choice Abandoned, a Barraskewda coming up here. Yeah, it's Choice Banded Barraskewda, outspeeds freaking everything, gotta love it. Kartana is coming up with the Choice Scarf. I think Choice Scarf Kartana actually looks pretty good. Like I said, we need something to help outspeed the Weavile, and if the rain isn't up, we got nothing. So at least if she's jolly, because we can outspeed Adamant Weavile with Melina there. But yeah, so Katana looking pretty good. Leaf Blade knockoff, Sacred Sword, Smart Strike. Yeah, there's that. And then Choice Specs. So we got the triple Choice gang, Band, Scarf, and Specs with Kyurem. Yeah, not even like freaking Celesteela wants to be coming in on too many Draco Meteors. Not even freaking Fini wants to be coming in on too many Ice Beams from that Choice Specs. Yeah, it's super hard. Freaking love it. Gotta love it. Alright, next up we got Jax. He's kind of going to be our utility. Have a little bit of speed just because I think she has another base 60. I don't remember what it was. She had a base 60 somewhere. I don't remember. Oh, it was the Celesteela. Okay, so it was just so we could try to outspeed the Celesteela. We got Trace, so we can try to trace something like maybe like Sheer Force or Misty Train, you know, something useful, hopefully, maybe. But yeah, Tri Attack, Thunderbolt hits the team pretty well outside of obviously the Nidoking and I guess the Leafeon, but you know, we got Tri Attack for that, so that's pretty nice. And then Recover, Teleport, pretty standard P2 things. Yeah, fully physically defensive because we want to live some hits. But anyway, yeah, that is the freaking team that we brought. That's a team that we're up against. I think it's pretty good. I think we have an okay chance in this one before I went into it, but that Weavile was freaking terrifying. But that's okay. We got plenty of snow. We got some stuffs. Anyway, yeah, no more. I'm not gonna say any more unless I possibly spoil something, because of course this is being done before the after the fact. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the battle. See ya. All right, here we go. SummerSlam tournament round uno. This is going to be an incredibly offensive game. Yeah, like, I have nothing to switch into freaking Weavile. She doesn't have amazing things to switch into Barraskewda. This is gonna be an offensive as hell game. Wow, the Leafeon came. That's a little odd. Sure. I mean, it's fine. I mean, it gives me a free switch into, well, it has superpower, I guess, right? I think it gets superpower. I don't remember. But, where's Leafeon? There's Leafeon. Yeah, I kind of expected the throw to come to help break the Porygon seed. Speaking of, I think we're just gonna lead Fujin. I think we're going to just lead the Fujin. Get up the freaking rain right from the start. Nice long rain. Get to reveal our item, but that's okay. All right, let's do this. Let's see, so she did not bring the throw, and she did not bring the Wigglytuff. Cool. Leafeon is decent. It's a decent Pokemon. Alright, Riascoremory. Hello, you. Gramori. Probably Gramori, right? Alright, Politoed. Nidoking. 50. Alright, if she has Thunder, it has a chance to kill if she's modest. So, we go into Jax. Hello. Trace, we get to trace that Sheer Force, which is nice. Toxic Spikes, that's fine. Yeah, this is fine. This is great, actually. We get to fire off a big old boosted Tri Attack. Toxic Spikes is not really that big of a deal. We can just defog that away sometime. Focus Blast, interesting. We should look at that, though. We can do a chonk. A hefty chonk. Woohoo! We get the crit. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, okay, so Raiden should be able to live in Ice Beam, though. Let's see. Ice Beam. Yeah, barely, but Raiden can live in Ice Beam. If she decides to switch it up to Ice Beam. Alright. See, Porygon can potentially, like, recover on, like, okay, so she's not switching out. She's going to risk it again, or go for something else. Ice Beam? Yep, okay, we can live that, though. Barely, but... Oh, wow, she's not Life Orb. That should do... Well, no, that's about right. That's about right. That's just that was just a mid-roll. Show me your Hurricane switch in, though. I don't think it exists. I do not think your Hurricane switch in exists. So, yeah, just show me. Show me! Goodbye. That's that big. There's that big threat out of the way, but then we get to deal with a Weavile gets to come in for absolutely free. Weavile gets to come in right now for the freest of free. There she is. Yup. Okay, so what do we want to switch in? We could just switch in Fujin. Yeah, we're just gonna switch in Fujin and hope. Probably a knockoff is gonna come our way. I see no reason for her not to knock off. The Toxic Spikes is going to be annoying, but we should be able to tell by what damage comes in here, what she's working with. So, all right, 197, we get poisoned. Knockoff, 197 to 109. Let's see, 197 minus 109, that's 8 damage, that's right. Level 50. Knockoff. She's not banded. That's good to know. Let's see, that's not... Oh. I think she's adamant. So that would mean we're going to just fire up a Scald. Sword Stance. You know I have a Barraskewda, right? Oh, we get the burn. Getting a little hacks here, but yeah. Oh, she gets a little bear. She's fine. You know, I got a Barraskewda, right? Alright, how many turns of rain do I have? Can I do this with the 2 turns of rain I have? Okay. Okay, so actually, see, what does Jax need to do anymore? Nothing. We're going to go into Jax and sack it. Jax doesn't need to do anything anymore. Goodbye. Pickpocket. Interesting. Knock off. Alright. Oh, so she's pickpocket. Good to know. But we can just go into Kartana. Kartana can easily live a +2 friggin' I want to go for a Smart Strike. Because I feel like Tapu Fini might come in trying to expect the Sacred Sword. You don't see Smart Strike a lot on this this thingy. So she switches out. Interesting. Goes into Leafeon. Decent chunk. Decent chunklet. It's a chunklet and a half right there. That's what that is. Alright. Leftovers. Okay. Good to know. Good to know. We'll swap into Raiden. We might get knocked here, but she doesn't have rocks on anything else. No. Well, unless we bring her. But I don't think she would bring rocks from you. Sunny Day. Interesting. Okay. So that means it's probably chlorophyll. Alright, I'm going to go into Fujin to stop the Sunny Day shenanigans. Oh, she switches out again. Okay. To Chika. Just a Mew. Hi, Mew. How are you? Yeah, I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to deal with that Sunny Day shenanigans. I'm gonna Encore. I want to see what this thing is gonna do. Volt switch. Okay, that's fine. Alright, so we have 8 more turns of rain. We have to use them wisely. Interesting. Volt switch. That might be Scarfed. Alright, going to Raiden. Does Celesteela learn Sunny Day? It does not. Cool. I feel safe enough to roost on this thing. Hello, Kaguya. We draws Kaguya. To Chika. Hello, you. Mew. Just say utility. 252. Well, I don't know what this thing could be. All we've seen so far from it is Thunderbolt. Or, Volt Switch, rather. I'm going to drop a Thunder on it. Pretty bulky. Oh, yeah. Back to about where we were, but we get to drop a big old Thunder. It is not Choice Scarf, so that's good to know. It is probably max speed though. I'm gonna go into Melina. This is probably a terrible play actually. She's probably actually going for Volt Switch here. This was actually probably a horrible play. It's fine. Oh yeah. Rain stopped. Oh right, he knocked off my damn rock. That's fine. I'm just gonna flip turn. Choice banded flip turn still going tickle quite a bit. We know it's not Colbur. So, nice draw the Chica. Tapu Fini. Hello you. How are you? Rocky helmet, interesting. We get to go into Choice Specs Curem. Going into Choice Specs Curem because you can't kill me in one hit. And nothing else can. So. We're going to fire off a Choice Specs Freeze Dry. What wants to take that? I guess especially defensive Celesteela, but even then it's going to do a lot. That Toxic Spike's a little annoying, but you know, that's okay. Let's see, especially defensive Celesteela is Chica. Okay, that's what can come Sure. Choice Specs Freeze Dry. That did chonk. That did chonk. Alright. I'm gonna go into Katana. I'm just playing like super fast, super offensive right now. I don't even really care because I got matched up against the fucking Weavile turn round 1. Awesome. Roost. Interesting. But we get to fire off a big old knockoff right now. Oh, no, I was going to say, don't you dare. You can fire off a big old knockoff right now on stuff. It's going to want draw. Going to go into, is that the Leafeon? Yeah. Knocked off the lefties. Alright, with that freaking Tapu Fini floating around, there's not much we can do. But that's Nidoqueen's down. You're down. You're down. Honestly, did not expect a team like this, but what you gonna do, right? I'm just gonna close combat. I'm just gonna click close combat. I want my Barrascuda just to go down here so I can have a nice free switch in to something. Tapu Fini can come in. Okay, sure. Rocky Helmet, Poison. That still did a chunk. It still did an actual decent amount of damage to that Tapu Fini. Nice. And Tapu Fini does not have recovery, so that's even better. Knock off. Alright, we're gonna roost. Does withdraw. Alright. Goes into you again. I'm gonna drop a Thunder. I don't even care. Ice Beam. Oh, come on! That's some bullshit, and we probably lose. That's some bull. Yeah, we probably lose because of that. I mean, we were already, like, not great to begin with. Not in a great position to begin with, but, like, yeah, we probably fucking lose because of that. And she crit us too! What the fuck? Okay! Okay, game is just like, yeah, nah, fuck you. Game just said, fuck you. Wow. Crit, a freeze into a crit freeze. Sure, why not? Why not, right? God damn, man. When the game hates you, it fucking hates you. Yeah, we can't do this. Yeah, nah, fuck you. Fuck you, game. I'm going to try to kill something, though. I'm gonna fire off a choice specs fucking Ice Beam. Can't freeze this one. Probably should have gone into this, honestly. What, I can't get a freeze back, game? Really? You gonna be like that to me? Alright, yeah, okay. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. Okay, that's fine. It would have been a boring, long, grindy battle anyways, though, so, like, whatever. It's fucking... Yeah. Fuck you, Mew. You should have even been allowed in this. You're an asshole. Fucking hate Mew. Alright, Ice Beam. Funny thing is there still is a chance. A chance. But she has to, like, miss a lot of things. I have to get thought out right here and hit, like, all of my moves. There is a chance, though, so we still have to, no, we're still going to play it out.
You're weak, just like the rest of your people. They did not deserve to exist in this world, in my world. Prepare to join them. Prepare to die! Come on out, little boy. You're about to be...
Miss? Oh! 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 So you're telling me there's a chance? So you're telling me there's a chance? So you're telling me that there is a chance? Let's go, Zapdos! Oh! Oh! I should have had Thunderbolt. Fuck. I should have had Thunderbolt. Oh, shit. Come on. Come on, Zapdos. Yo! Oh! Just got hit one more! Let's go! Let's fucking go, Zapdos! That's telepathy Tapu Fini, by the way. I'm gonna roost. I'm gonna roost. I'm gonna roost. I'm gonna roost. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Ah! You got Draining Kiss? Okay. That's fine. That should, I still should be in well enough range to fucking kill the Thunder. Yeah, well. Let's go, Zapdos! I missed. Ah, damn it. Okay. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be interesting. She's defensive. Static! Yo! Let's go! Come on, Zapdos. Yo, drop that Thunder! Woo! Let's go! And that's why you never give up, man! That's why you never fucking give up! Let's fucking go, Zapdos! Hell yes! Fuck yeah! ladies and gentlemen, you need to draft Zapdos because it said rain. I don't fucking care. I don't need rain. Let's fucking go, baby. I love this Pokemon. This is the best fucking Pokemon. Best fucking Pokemon. Woo! Let's fucking go. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I am so fucking hyped right now. I thought we lost, honestly, before even the game fucking started. I hate having that mindset, but this was a horrible matchup for us. But then the game was just like, I help you out there, buddy. You got fucking crit frozen. You got frozen. Like, you know, I'll give you help out there. But let's go. That's why you never give up, baby. All right. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this one. Go check out Live's side. I'm sure it's going to be. Let's go with interesting. Yeah. Like, comment, sub, all that fun stuff. I love you all. Deuces.